somebody left the emergency switch on again. Who did that? Who did that? Woke up late, cape stuck in the dryer. Whole team looking like a budget forest fire. Tried to strike a pose, but I slipped on a flyer. Now the villain's laughing like y'all need a squire. We don't do stealth, we don't do grace. We show up loud with a questionable face. Trip over on boots, fall out of place. Still save the day with accidental taste. We're heroes with hiccups, champions of chaos. Fix the whole city with duct tape and pathos. If destiny calls, we'll answer like cola. I.B.S. squad. Yeah, we run on granola. Yeah, we got powers, but they're kinda unreliable. One time root cause grew a tree in the library aisle. Voltstorm tried to help, but she shorted the tile. Now the whole building's humming like a funky exile. We don't plan missions, we just show up and vibe. Half the time we argue over who lost the ride, but somehow the villains always switch to our side. Cause our theme song slaps and we got good pride. We got a group chat title, please don't explode. Someone always typing in dramatic hero code. We did 8 sharp but arrive in hero mode, which means 8:47 with the snack we stole. We're heroes with hiccups, champions of chaos. Fix the whole city with duct tape and pathos. If destiny calls, we'll answer like cola. I.B.S. squad. Yeah, we run on granola. Yeah, we save the day in the weirdest ways. Trip, fall, win, those are our 3 plays. If you need a hero with questionable phase, call the I.B.S. crew. We amaze and dismay. I.B.S. squad. Yeah, we run on granola.